and welcome to my channel Coding with Ikanshi, and today I am going to show you how to make a ready to help calculator. So let's go on the create option. So the project is loading. It will take a while. Yeah, so we are on the project and today we are going to make a ready to help calculator, and it is very easy to make. Believe me, you'll have a lot of fun making it. Okay, so now I'll start with the backdrop. So I'll choose a backdrop. You can choose any. I can choose anyone, and you can also choose anyone. I will choose. There are so many. I'll choose this night city. No, it's too dark. No. I'm sorry. I'll choose something else. Wait. See. So we'll go on the choose option and we can choose many. There are so many. I'll choose the beach Rio. Looks good, right? Yeah. So now I'll go on choose a sprite. So I'll make paint. Like I went on the choose option and then I choose the paint option. And like this you can choose it 4 times. Okay. Now we will go on sprite 1, and as you know there are 4 signs in a calculator: subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. So first I will name all these and then I'll make them. So first I will name this subtraction, and the second one I'll name it as addition, and the third one I'll name it as division, and the fourth one I'll name it as multiplication. See, multiplication. Done. Now I'm going to come on the subtraction, and making subtraction is very easy. So first you'll go on fill option and then you'll make brightness to 0. Brightness to 0 means total darkness, which means black color. And then I have to make a small plank type of structure for subtraction. So see, I'll make a plank and then it's the subtraction sign, and then I'll go on the addition option and I'll choose the same for them, and then I'll make an addition, one like this and one like this. So our addition sign is also ready. I'll just put it a bit up. Yeah, the addition is too big, so I'll just resize it at 90. Let's see. Done. Good size, huh? Now go on the division. You make the same plank and then you go on the circle option to make circles like division sign usually has, and then I'll make it like this. And now I'll go on the multiplication option and then I'll choose the rectangle and and then I will rotate it a bit like this, and then I'll make one more and I will rotate this also. See, it's not looking good. I'll just increase the size. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm going to put it on. See, division sign is too big now, so I have to minimize it. I won't minimize it from here because then it will ruin its shape and glory. So I will put it like this. See, perfect size. And multiplication I'll do it 90. Okay, and now 90. Done. Okay, now I will go on the code. So first I will go on backdrops. So now I'll go on the variable option. Now I'll tell you what I'm going to do with the variables. So variables are which will help you make your calculator. It plays a very vital role in making your calculator. And first we will make the first number. See, first number. So you want to enter your first number. So so you want to enter your first number, so we will make a place where you can enter your first number, and then I'll make a variable which will contain the second number. Yeah, okay. So now I have made the second number also, and I'll put it a bit above. So yeah, now I will make a variable again, and I will make the result this time, because by making first number and second number, it's useless without the result, because you need to need the result. And now go on the choose sprite, and then I will type here button. So see, you can choose any of the button. I'll choose this one, and I will go here. I'll choose this button and put it here. And now I will, now you might be thinking, why have I choose this button, for what reason? So I'll tell you why. Like when you do all the coding and when you make the whole calculator, and like you type 12 in the first number and the second number you typed 13, and then you added them, but then you want to add another number to 12, so you want to clear, you want to like remove your progress which you have done, so you need a clear option. So this will act as the clear option. So over here you have to write clear. So there are many fonts. I like the marker one, so I'm going to use the marker option, clear. Wait, I'll write it in capital letters, clear. Yeah, and now I'll go back and I will resize it as 60. I think it's too small. Wait, I'll do it 70. Perfect size. Yeah, now I will go back on backdrops, and then I will go when green flag clicked. Now you might be wondering, what is green flag? So green flag is the starting of the project which you make. Like whenever you need to start any project, you have to use this option when green flag clicked. So this means that you want to add it from your starting only. And then we will go on sensing, and we'll put the ask. We don't write what's your name, we will write enter your first number. And we will write enter your first number because the calculator needs to know which number you want to add, and you also need to tell it which number you want to put in the first place and in the second place. So I will make such a code that it will ask you, and then you will type it, and then it will come over here in this column. So I will make first number, and then I'll go on my variables. So I'll set. So like I will tell you why have I used this set option. Enter your first number, so it will ask you that enter your first number. So like I will add my number as 12, and then I will put like this. See, nothing happened. So you want the first number to come here, so we will go on sensing, and we will put the answer, put the set first number to answer, and we will do the likewise for the second number, like this. And I'm going to do it like something like this, and I'm going to add second number, and then second number, done. So this much code we have done till now. See, 12 is our first number and 14 is our second. See, you can see that your first number have come in the first position and your second number have come to the second position. And now I'll go on subtraction. So in the subtraction option, it's very easy. So I will go on when this sprite clicked. So like I have choose this option because like first number I have put the first number and I have put the second number, but when I have to add it, I can't just write add it, so I have to press this option. So whenever I press add, so it should add both of them. So I'll go on operators. So these four help us to add and subtract and other operations. So I'll go on my variables and I'll choose first number and second number. And now I will go back to my variables and I will put it over here. Now you might be wondering, why am I putting it over here? Like I will put here result. So why have I done like this? I'll show you why. See, like I enter my first number as 12 and second number as 16, and I want to add both of them. So see, I'm clicking. Oh, I have subtracted, sorry. Yeah, so see, so my result comes as, oh, I plus 28. So you can see the answer. So like I have done a mistake. I'm so sorry. I have put the addition option, which I have to put minus option. So see, minus option I'll put here, minus. Yeah, now it will work properly. I'm so sorry. 12 and 19. Wait. I'll just do like this, subtract. So see, my answer is minus 7. And now I'll go on the same on the addition option. And now I'm going to do the same for addition. When this right clicked, my variable set result to, and now I'm going to choose the first number, second number, and I'll go on operators, and I want to add both of them. So I'll first put here, and I'll go, wait, first number, second number, yeah. And now same for division, multiplication. So I'll just do it and show you how I'm doing. When this sprite clicked, division sign is this and multiplication sign is this in Scratch programming. I was just telling you if you don't know. First number and second number, and then I'll set my result to first number and second number. So see, and likewise I'll add it in multiplication also. Set result to first number, second number, and when this right clicked, so when this right clicked, and I'll go on operators and I'll multiply both of them, the first, second number and first number. Yeah, done. Now I'll go over here and I will write clear button. Yeah, wait, yeah, okay, now it's done. And now I will go on when this right clicked, and now I want to clear my progress, so I'm going to set my first number to 0, second number to 0, and I'm going to set my result to 0. So now I'm going to show you how it works. I'll do full screen so you can see better. Yeah, so I will enter my first number. First I'll clear. See, all the three are cleared. Now you can tell me any number. How can you tell? 14 is my first number and 81 is my second number. And I want to multiply both of them. See, 1134 is the answer, and I will clear them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.